How to enable secure boot in your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, if you want to check if the secure boot is enabled or not on your Windows, for that you have to go on system information. So tap on the search button and type in system information. From the list, you can see the option of secure boot state and check if it is on or not. If not, the option is go to search bar and type in recovery option. Tap on it and then the setting will open. Now, from the advanced setup or startup, tap on restart now. This will then restart your device and then you will see a new page. First of all, you need to tap on advanced option and then select UEFI firmware settings. You will see restart to change, tap on restart. Then after you will enter another page and from there you have to go to boot. Once you go to the boot option, you will see the option to enable your secure boot. So this way, you have enabled the secure boot mode. And that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.